road, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.
Sometimes the best parts of a journey are the ones you didn't see coming. I don't know if Rinchen had seen my post about wanting to see a takin, or if he just sensed my curiosity, but when we pulled into the Takin Preserve, I was overjoyed. The takin is the national animal of Bhutan, and they are one of the most unique-looking creatures on the planet. Legend says they were created by a saint who joined the head of a goat to the body of a cow. And looking at them up close, that description feels about exactly right. Getting to see them up close was amazing, but actually getting to give one scritches on the head was a highlight I'll never forget. They have this gentle, prehistoric presence about them. The preserve isn't just for takins, though. It's a sanctuary for all kinds of Himalayan wildlife, from barking deer to sambar. It's a quiet, forested escape right on the edge of the capital, and it was the perfect way to ground ourselves after a busy morning of music and philosophy. We moved from the quiet of the preserve back into the heart of Thimphu for one of the city's most famous quirks. Thimphu is one of the only capital cities in the world without a single electric traffic light. Instead, they have human traffic lights. In the middle of the main intersection, a policeman stands in a decorated booth. He directs the flow with incredibly rhythmic, almost dance-like hand movements. They actually tried to install a real traffic light once, but the residents missed the human touch so much that they brought the officers back. It's a small detail, but it perfectly captures the Bhutanese priority of people over machines.
Always an adventure.
That's it for this deep dive into our past adventures. We are so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy videos like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.